Hello friends, hi, how are you? I am Hitesh Agarwal from PHP Academy. Welcome to our channel PHP Academy. We are going to teach Magento in our channel. If you are a learner, you can join us and learn Magento and you can become a Magento developer. Before proceed further, I will request you to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon also so you can keep yourself updated with our latest videos. In our today's video, we will quickly go through the admin features. So let me first log in. So this is the dashboard. So when you log in, you will come here. Okay, here you can see the advanced reportings, which we will show you in our upcoming videos. Here you can see lifetime sales, average orders, everything you can manage in a as an overview. Here you can see the first menu sales here, and in sales you can see multiple menus or orders, invoice, shipments. Okay, so these orders, from here you can manage orders. If any customers place the orders, so you can manage it from here. We will show you in detail about the orders in our next video. In this video, we are just showing the features, admin features. So we will just quickly go through the admin features. So this is the orders, and here you can create new order from the admin. Then here you can manage the invoices. Okay. Then credit memo, if you want to refund your customers, then you can create a credit memo from the admin for the order. Okay. Then we will come up with the categories. So from here you can manage the categories. If you are selling products, you can sell like electronics, pantry, fruits, right? So you have to create a categories based on your product, so you can manage it from here. This is your root category. Okay, and when you are creating any category, you have to create under root category. Okay, and we will show you in detail about the category, how you can manage. Okay, then you can come here for products. Okay, here you can manage your products which you are selling. Okay, so you have multiple types of products here: simple, configurable, group, virtual, bundle, downloadable. Okay, then here you can check customers. So here you can manage your customers. If any customers register from the website, so it will display here. And also you can create customers from the admin as well. Then here you can manage your customer groups. Suppose you have a multiple types of customers like VIP or wholesaler. Okay, so you can manage it from here. And you can assign any customers to any group. Then for promotion, for marketing, you can manage from here. Like if you want to provide any discounts, coupons to customers, so you can just click here in cart price rules. So you can manage the coupons for the customers. And if you want to apply the discounts on the catalog level, so you can create a catalog price rule. We will cover this topic in detail in our next videos. Then here you can manage your email templates, newsletter. Okay, everything you can manage here. For SEO related things, you can manage it from here. Okay, then if you want to create a new pages or manage existing pages, you can manage it from here, like about us, terms and condition pages. You can create and manage it from here. These are blocks, static blocks. What is static blocks? We will cover in our next video. But in short, I will give you the overview. Like blocks, like if you want to display any particular sex block in particular sections in the website, so you can use these blocks. Then widget you can create. Then from here you can you can manage the designs, like if you want to if you are creating new theme, so you can manage it from here. If you want to schedule the designs based on the occasions, so also you can schedule it from here. Okay, we will cover this topic also in our next video. From here you can manage all types of reports like marketing report, sales report, customers report, everything you can manage it from here. Then from here you can manage all the stores related settings, like if you want to create a multiple websites, multiple stores, multiple store views, so you can manage it from here. If you want to manage configurations, any configuration like payment methods, shipping methods, website URL, everything you can manage it from here. Then order status, if you want to create a custom order status, you can manage it from here. Okay. Then inventory source, this is the new features in 2.3. So if you want to if you have a multiple warehouse, so you have a multiple sources of inventory, so you can manage it from here. You can manage taxes from here, currencies, and this is the main important part, attributes. If you are selling multiple types of products, like if you have electronics, so its attributes is different. If you are selling t-shirts or shirts, their attributes is different. So you can manage your attributes and attribute sets. So we will cover these topics in our next video. Okay. If you are adding the products in the website in the admin, so you don't have to add one by one from the admin. You can use import features, so you can create a CSV file and import in the Magento. So for these features you can use export. If you want to export the existing products, you can manage it from here. If you want to if you have a multiple admins like customer supports or operations teams, so you can manage the roles and users here. You can create a multiple roles, multiple users. Okay. Then if you are making any configuration changes or any changes, you can clear the cache from here. You can manage the indexing. If you are importing the products, you have to index the products, so you can manage it from here. Okay. This is also like we will cover when we will work on the programming level. Okay. So these are the admin features we have covered today. So in our next videos, we are coming with the in details videos. So thanks and keep watching.